Alright, guys, so I just figured I'd just do a little bit of a video of my Goodman air conditioner sitting dormant. As you can see, I took a sponge to this one and kind of clean it off a little bit, but obviously that didn't really work that well. So yeah, they have not been running, obviously, since it's like middle of winter. But it's not too cold out today. Just figured I'd just do a video of these. There's the data. 3-ton from 2011. This one I believe is from, I think, March of 2011. I think that's what the 7 means. I'm not sure. And then here's the neighbors. The 2009 3-ton. I think this is a 3-ton. Either 3-ton or 2.5-ton. I took all these stupid pine things off of it because they were just piled all over it. So, yep. There's this one. Nothing's happening so far. I haven't been making a lot of videos lately. So, but whatever. There's not too much. There's just really not a lot to film. Since I've filmed most of the stuff here. The second reason is because I'm kind of lazy. 13 seer. The other one's a 13 seer as well. So, 2.5-ton from 09, 04 of 09. 09 of 04. So that means this one's probably from, I want to say, probably March. No, not March. July 2009? I'm not sure. But, yeah, my Goodman air conditioner is doing nothing. Yeah. Nothing's happening. Paint is kind of... anyways, yeah. I'm gonna just do this little video of my Goodman air conditioners doing nothing. This one's a 13 seer. Now it has the older energy guide. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. I know this one's pretty dirty. I have to clean that during the springtime. I will clean these at springtime. There's the compressor. Bristol reciprocating, the newer one. I honestly hate the newer Bristols. But whatever. I think some Yorks still use them. And then here's this one. With the crappy broad ocean fin motor. And this one has a Copeland reciprocating. Which this one sounds pretty nice. They are very dirty inside. Yeah, I'll have to clean that. And same with this one. So when springtime comes and we're almost ready to turn on the air, I will clean these, and I'll also do a first startup of the year thing. So anyways, thanks for watching.